What's up, guys? Tyler here from Tarver Academy, the YouTube channel you're on right now. If you would hit the red subscribe button, all your wildest dreams will come true. So today I want to show you how to go live on YouTube the easiest way possible. Okay, so you have to be signed into your YouTube account, and then in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see there's a little camera with a plus sign. So if you would click on that, and then go to Go Live. Now, if you don't have that option, you need to go into your settings under YouTube and then go to Advanced Settings and enable that. And turn that on. Most of them it might be on. So this is your info page. So from here, I would create a title. I would go test live session. Okay, now underneath that, this is really important. I spelled session wrong. Sorry, guys. So right there underneath that, it has your option for public, unlisted, or private. Public means anybody can see it or find it. Unlisted means that anyone with the exact link can watch it. And private means that nobody can watch it. It's just yours, okay? So you would use public if you were like, say you're a teacher and you want your students to go watch your live videos every day at 9 a.m. You could just tell them, hey, go to my YouTube channel at 9 a.m. We'll be going live. That way you don't have to post a link every week. You could do unlisted and just keep it for your class, and then you could just give them the link in their Google Classroom. So we'll keep it public. We will, right here is where you schedule for later. Say you know that like Tuesday you want to go live. You can, and that way you can get the link beforehand, because what it does is it creates like a placeholder video, or not video, but thumbnail. So it's a placeholder video that you can't play yet because it doesn't exist, and the students can go there beforehand, and then they can click on it and watch it when it goes live. So we're not going to schedule for later. We'll go live now. We'll say, no, it's not made for kids. You can go down here for more options. I can choose which camera I want to use, which microphone I want to use, and then I could go into advanced and allow chat. I can turn chat off if I want, and this is not a paid promotion. So most of the time, you're just going to do those first couple things that I showed you. Hit next, smile for the thumbnail. Okay, that's going to be the picture that shows up on YouTube. Now, before I go live, if you want to share this, you hit the share button, and then you would copy this, and then you could go paste that in your classroom and say, hey guys, we're going to go live here in a few minutes, jump on, and you paste the link wherever you want, or you can put it on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or wherever you want. And that's where you can get that link before it goes live. And then just click off of it. Now we say go live. And we're live. And then you're live. And over there on the right, you'll see a live chat. I think my picture is actually covering up where you would respond to people, but you'll be able to see a live chat of people talking. If you have people responding, they can ask questions. You can work through whatever you want here, talk. They can throw out questions at first, however you want to do it. Down here, I can mute myself. And also, here's the share button again. So I can click this and I can share it. So say you go live and then you want to share the link. You can do that. And then when you're done, you click end stream, hit end, and you're done. And it's saved on your YouTube channel. There you go, guys. You just went live on YouTube via desktop. If you could, please hit the red subscribe button. I've got tons of more helpful tips, videos, learning. Tarver Academy, YouTube channel. It's where we learn and have fun. See you guys later. Y'all be good. Never stop learning. Peace.